There it is in the water, sitting nicely. Here we are coming down to it. Geez, you can't even hear those motors, eh?
Nah, super quiet.
Hey Nizzy! I'll just zoom out so we can get her in. Geez, they're quiet. Yeah, looks good.
Screwdriver.
Well, if something breaks on that, you can't fix it anyway. You need a... Yeah. May as well jump in. Yeah, we're just reversing up now. He's got a Mercury too. It looks like a 60 or a 90. Oh no, it's 100. How's steering feel?
Hey Jace, what are you doing over there?
Gee, that's a big deck area, right?
Crane here, compressor, hydraulics.
This paint, you can buy this locally. We get it from Australia.
Okay.
Is that the international paint?
No, not international, no.
Oh, there was one. There's an international paint warehouse there.
Oh, is it? Like a big, oh, just where I parked?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the Marine Centre here. What's it called? The Marine Precinct? Gold Coast Marine Precinct.
Marine Precinct.
Okay.
Yeah. I went here for the wards and we looked at getting a factory workshop down here, but they don't miss you.
No, that's we looked before a couple of years ago, didn't we?
Oh.
They want a lot of money.
No. And it's a bit out of the way too.
Yeah. It's a nice drive compared to the Seaway. Need to get one of those little
Knobs.
Yeah. Where are those screws going in your truck?
Yeah.
Whereabouts in your truck?
It's a cup holder.
That's why I was banging.
Ah, yeah.
Here's a houseboat. It is, yeah.
You're a bit fresh with that cloud cover.
Oh, really? The Black Pearl?
It's the one they use for the movie.
Really? Oh, that's where it ended up, because the movie was shot just over the back here, wasn't it? Okay. Interesting.
Oh yeah, they took it out of Sunny Coast, I think.
Oh, here's the Black Pearl. Oh, look, it's only a little baby.
Is that it, Joe? That's tiny. It's tiny, isn't it? Maybe
No, it
that's
can't be.
the-
It's black. Might be that Chinese one.
It's very tiny.
Yeah.
The movie is like,
No, where is that one? Maybe that one's still down the seaway then.
Here we are, still motoring on. We can't do too much speed. The distance over there, all the houses on the water. That's a drill rig. It's not even a pole driver, I don't think. Oh, it's got the pole driving on there, yeah. That's interesting. How they got that. That's one bilge pump there. It's telling us we've got to do 6 kilometres per hour. Another boat coming in.
Radio,
Are they all the way in? No. Yeah. Smooth. Hang on, Lizzie. There we are. Yeah, watch this guy.
Is this the area?
Hey?
Got a bit of
It's coming in when it's trimmed right in. All right, when you're ready. That's good, doesn't throw you out the boat. You're wet, Nizzy. She just wants to see the dolphins again. You might want to raise those motors as well.
Raise these.
Yeah, I reckon we'll raise them a bit.
Okay.
Because they're just digging in a little bit too much.
Yeah, okay.
Go up another notch or 2 notches, put a max and try it like that.
Okay.
That's pretty simple. You know how to do that?
I haven't done it before, no.
Oh, it's just bolts. There's one bolt slot. No. Bolts stay there.
Yeah.
The bolts stay where they are. You just basically undo the bolts, jack the motor up, and then just put the bolts back through. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Other than that, no, it's running well. We're just going to do a turn, tight turn. It's one forward, one reverse, and that's turning on itself. Yeah. That's forward, yeah. Both motors going for, yeah. Very good.